seed oils are so disgusting and unpalatable that even bacteria won't eat food made with seed oil. If you put a hamburger out, which is seed oil laden, if you put anything with vegetable seed, canola oil, soybean oil, safflower oil, sunflower oil, Wesson oil, margarine, ants, bugs, bacteria, they don't touch it. They go over to the other plate that doesn't have the seed oil to nosh down onto that food. Isn't that interesting? And I'm sure you've all seen the picture of the Big Mac on the bookshelf in this person's house that's been sitting there with the French fries out in the open, unwrapped, for 10 years, and it looks exactly the same. It hasn't gone bad because the bacteria doesn't like it. Do you really want to put that in your body? The ants and the bacteria know better. We want food that our body can digest. And that's not seed oil. It's not chemicals that are colorings and flavorings and additives and preservatives. Pick up a box or a package of food and you will see vegetable seed oil. You will see all those other chemicals. Shop around the edges of the grocery store instead and just buy beef, buy lamb, buy any other ruminant animal. It's the best superfood in the world. And then if you want to do non-ruminant animals, you can have fish and chicken and pork. I love eggs. Eggs are a superfood. Everything in that egg is there to grow a whole chicken. Isn't that amazing? And you're eating it in a little encapsulated eggshell. Eat well. Eat animal products. I'm a carnivore. Be a carnivore. If you want to be a keto or ketovore, do that. It's not crazy. It's healthy. And you will be healthy if you eat food from God and nature that doesn't have a paragraph of ingredients. Have a good day.